So now we're going to put the inspector camera inserted into each heat exchanger cell itself, so we get a close-up internal view of the heat exchanger cell, and at the same time we'll take up our pump-up water sprayer with its nozzle, and we'll spray water up underneath where the blower was, but yet on the outside of the heat exchanger cell. So we're spraying water up in between each heat exchanger cell while the camera is on the inside of the cell. And we can see to the right there, and the water dripping down. I'll spray a little more and get a little closer in there. Right along the right-hand side of this cell clearly has a leaking heat exchanger. Okay, now we're going to go ahead and spray some water on the outside of the cell, and we can see it coming in right through the metal there. See the water actually coming, so we can zero in on there. And there's just no question, and that's not anywhere near where the seam is. There's no question as to that this is leaking, and that this furnace heat exchanger is no longer usable the way it is. So we've got to replace the equipment. Now we know if we can see water leaking into the heat exchanger cell, that it's come from the outside of the cell. There's no question as to the fact that the heat exchanger has a crack in it. And the cracks or holes will show up very vividly on the inside of the heat exchanger.